Kaunti ya Ngabana Mutula Kilonzo Jnr nĩikĩtie mũkana kũrĩ atongoria a thirikari yake kaunti-inĩ ĩyo arĩa maregeretie harĩ gũtungatĩra mũingĩ. Akĩaria igongona-inĩ rĩa kwĩhĩtithio kwa maabitha anene a thirikari ya kaunti ĩyo, Mutula Kilonzo augĩte maabitha arĩa maragonderera wĩra-inĩ no mabutwo wĩra ona thengia wa amwe ao gũkorwo mandĩkĩtwo wĩra matarĩ na kandarathi. Mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ bunge-inĩ ya Ngabana Mumo augĩte maabitha arĩa mahĩtũkĩire bunge-inĩ nĩ makinyĩtie ikĩro cia gũkorwo marĩ wĩra.
A mentality, a public service, that if you are permanent and pensionable, you are like a tree. You are not going anywhere. So you work the way you want. Not under the governorship of Mutula Kilonzo Jnr. There's nothing permanent about it. Because I am on contract for 5 years. And in the next 5 years, I must go out to the public and explain why I should get another 5 years. So why should you tell me you're permanent and pensionable and you can't work?
It is not about Mundu govern. It is about integrity, it's about capability. And if you can. I want to confirm that, Your Excellency, you have the best team around. You imagine these CEOs are doctors.